Hi, my name is Tony Cimbala with Tony Cimbala Construction. Today's how-to video, I'll be showing you how to repair a bathroom ceramic tile. Today we're going to use caulk, a silicone caulk, to repair any kind of cracks in the tile or in the grout. This particular caulk is a white. They do have different kind of colors we can use for a different tile. And what we want to do, get that caulk right into that crack. Kind of get it wherever the ceramic tile is cracked. And we take our finger, kind of rub it in. Being a silicone caulk, water will not be used to clean this up. We can take our finger, kind of dig it in. And there you go. Beyond a white silicone caulk, we could also use a ceramic tile caulk, which has various colors. And we will do the same as our last crack. Apply it into the crack or the chip. With this type of caulk, we can do a water cleanup with a sponge. There you go. And that's how you would repair a bathroom ceramic tile with caulk.